y'all, it's TxStampin Sharon. Today I'm going to show you a little special bonus that you can get starting January 2019 through March 2019 if you become a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Now I know what you're saying, I know what you're thinking. I don't want to do what she does. I don't want to make videos, I don't want to blog. I get that. I know I've said this before, but if you're new to my channel, 95 to 97% of my team members simply join to save money. If you're spending anywhere close to $100 a month on your stamping supplies, whatever that might be, stamps, paper, ink, you need to listen to me. You need to watch the rest of this video. Let me show you the goodies. Here is this beautiful tote. Let's see if I can get it in the camera. That has these really nice handles, this beautiful little tag. See how pretty that is? I love that rose. And it also has a strap for you to, a shoulder strap for you to use. It is so durable. It's canvas. It's got all kinds of pockets on the front. There's a zipper pocket here. There's a pocket here for your punches. You could put your Stampin' Mist over here. I mean, it is a really nice bag. So I want to show you how much it'll hold. So first of all, it holds our paper trimmer. Nice, right? It holds tons of clear blocks for you to use. I mean, I could have shoved more in here, but it expands so much that you can get a lot in there. Of course, it holds your Stampin' Mist. And if you still use this system, it would hold that. It would also hold the chamois if you've gone to that. Here is a paper piercing mat for you to use with your photopolymer stamps. And then in this pocket, I can put my glues, my glue dot, my tear and tape. Here is my tool picker-upper thing that Stampin' Up! Just introduced, and sometimes I can't remember the name of it, but it's a really cool tool. It helps you pick up small items. It also has a paper piercer adapter, all kinds of fun things. Here's my snail and some snips and a bone folder. Oh, by the way, I will send you one of these bone folders that say Stamping Friends Forever if you join during Sale-A-Bration. Let's see, what else is in here? Oh, my silicone mat. If you've been watching my videos, you know I love my silicone mat. Okay, so what I'm going to tell you now is if you sign up and you want this gorgeous tote, you have two options to join during Sale-A-Bration. You can join for $129 and this tote is included. And you can shop for up to that amount, and you can customize your kit to get anything you wanted. Now, when you see what's inside of the Occasions catalog, there's a bunch of new stamps, a bunch of new products. I did an unboxing video, I believe last week. If you missed that, I'll put that link in the video so you can go back and watch it. But there's some really fun stuff in here. So when you get your hands on this, you're gonna go, well, when I go to shop, everything comes up to $129 anyway, and I don't get the tote. You only get the tote if you join Stampin' Up! During Sale-A-Bration. All right, if you are on my customer list, meaning if you have placed an order since June of 2018, you will have received one of these. You'll probably get it around the third week of December. I did a shipping system with Stampin' Up! If you have not placed an order on my website and you would like one of these catalogs, you can contact me below with the link that's in the description, and I will send you out one, including the Sale-A-Bration brochure. Make sure that you give me your complete mailing address and your complete name. All right, so if you were to choose what I picked in here, And some of it, you know, it's different. It's a matter of color preferences or whatever. But here are two new stamp sets, the Butterfly Gala and the Bloom by Bloom, and a punch that goes with the Butterfly Gala, which is always fun. Love punches. You could pick out 5 stamp pads. Now, I just grabbed the 5 in color stamp pads, and these come to $33.75 when you buy them as a grouping. Each stamp pad is $7.50, so you don't have to go with these colors. I just grabbed them just because. I picked out 2 packs of cardstock. I did Night of Navy and Whisper White. And the reason that I did is because I grabbed the Memories and More note cards and envelopes, and that is Night of Navy. By the way, once I opened up my package, I went ahead and just put it in a Ziploc. It doesn't come packaged this way, but I love these little Ziploc bags because they really come in handy. One of my stamping friends said she uses it for storing her scraps of cardstock. All right, and then I chose the Memories and More just because it goes with this. Okay. So, with that said, the bag, the Memories and More, the note cards and envelopes, the cardstock, Butterfly Gala and the new punch, Bloom by Bloom, 5 in colors of stamp pads, all for $128.50. I worked really hard to get it as close to $129 as I could. You can shop for anything you want. It's totally customizable. You don't have to pick what I did, but I know you're going to want some of this new stuff that's coming. So you need to think about it. If you have any questions about what does it mean to become a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I have a page on my blog that tells you all about when you join, and I will be more than happy to put that link in the description below. If you ever want to just chat with me and ask your questions that I didn't answer on my blog, I would love to do that too. Just when you're on my blog, hit that contact me button and send me your telephone number, your email address and everything, and then I will contact you. I mentioned on the video that there are 2 ways that you can join during Sale-A-Bration. One is to get that fabulous tote. The cost of that is $129. Like I said, it's a totally customizable kit. You can get whatever you want. That is considered option 2. I really consider it option 1. But anyway, the other way is to pay $99. You get to choose anything you want for $125 up to that amount. Don't go over that. But you don't get that cute tote. And it's so cute and it's so nice. I'm telling you, you're going to be sad if you don't get that tote. Because like I said, you can't buy the tote after you sign up. You can't buy the tote. Nobody can buy the tote. The only reason I have the tote is because they allowed us to purchase it ahead of time. But after January, we can't buy it. So all of the fun starts January 3rd, 2019. Head over to my blog to get all your questions answered. And if you have any more questions, I would love to chat with you. Happy stamping, y'all!